Statue of Liberty is a symbol. It stands for hope. It also stands for freedom and friendship. The statue is in New York Harbor.
The American flag is an important symbol of our country. It has 13 stripes and 50 stars. Each star stands for a state. The flag is red, white, and blue. We say the Pledge of Allegiance every morning. We put our right hand on our heart. When we say the pledge, that means we promise to be loyal to the United States of America.